Let's do the dunes.
Welcome back to another episode of Weekend Scampers. We are in our 41st running of our annual trip to the Silver Lake Sand Dunes.
That's pretty good.
We got friends and family coming up this week. Should be a good time, but we drove most of the day today. We kind of got a late start out of town because we had a late check-in, so we couldn't get here any sooner. We showed up, everybody's hungry, so we're going to solve that with some BC pizza. And so we're going to run and get that, go back, finish getting set up. But the fun should start tomorrow. But I thought I should just set this video up, let you know where we were. So stay tuned, lots of fun and shenanigans coming your way. Okay, if anybody knows what this game's called, let me know. My wife bought it for me in 6th grade. Which would have been like 1994. My wife has been staring at her book. He's just sitting over here being cute. Dad just had a nomad walk out into the middle of their game. He's not bad. I'm just worried Rory's gonna hit him in the face. Oh no. Remember in like the 80s and 90s when they had that commercial, it's 9 o'clock, do you know where your kids are? It is 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock and they do not know where their kid is. Yeah, he's a toddler. Come get your kids. We're gonna lay low, enjoy the evening, the beautiful weather. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So I did want to talk about this. This is a Coleman. It's just a little mini bike that you can buy at Tractor Supply. BT 200X. And I took it to my friend Brent. You can kind of see, but we put a Harbor Freight Predator. It's a ghost motor. It's like 212 cc's. I feel like it's like 15 horsepower. And the one that was on there before was like 7, so we've almost doubled the horsepower that's on it. So I don't know if it's going to go or not, but it's my theory to haul a four-wheeler in this so that next year when Rory rides, he can ride his 250 and I can ride this along with him. And we can fit them both in the truck without bringing extra vehicles. So this was about 6 months in the making. So I'm excited to see how that goes. It could be horrendous, or it could be my new favorite ride, and it's the only thing I ride the whole week. My wife has a sore throat, so it's a bad sore throat too, right?
Yes.
So we're going up to the general store. Oh, and tell them what else happened last night, honey?
My credit card got stolen.
In London, 40 transactions they tried to do.
So I was on the phone for half hour.
Our credit cards, I tell you.
Now I get to get a new debit card number. It's a wonderful, horrible thing.
So we got to go to the general store, see what they got. There's the general store / ice cream shop. No Benadryl at the general store. So we're gonna go to Hart and go to Hanson's. Okay, I'm back in the truck. We had the pharmaceutical run this morning, and now I'm ready to go get everything dune ready, which dune ready means you have flags on, you have ORVs, ORV permits, and you have your state park passes. So since I'm taking 3 vehicles out, the truck, the mini bike, the 4-wheeler, I gotta have 3 sets of those. And they used to be like $7 when I was a kid, and now it's like 50 to 60. I'll let you know once I pay for them per vehicle. So Michigan, I hope you spend the money well. We love your state, but man, when you got 3 vehicles, you feel that one a little bit. Total damage, $136.75. So ORVs, there's one that's $26.25 and one that's $10, or they make you buy 2 stickers. So $36.25 for that, and then $14 for a non-plated vehicle park pass. When we were at Grand Haven a couple weeks ago, I had to buy a park pass to go to that state park for my truck, so I've already purchased that. So I don't even remember what that was. $30 probably, so like $166. I guess that's the price of having fun, and most of the people you see, they're having fun. All these people are dune ready, so they can drive right out. Don't need a parking lot voucher. Let's go on the sand.
Let's do the dunes.
It's a beautiful night. Clouds finally went bye-bye. So now we're gonna go to the drag strip, see if there's any action out there. I need everybody to look at how clean the floor is.
Craig, you know.
Because you guys are gonna trash it.
Well, yeah, you know your expectations are really too high for the dunes because it's so much sand.
It's okay. You guys you'll make it. There was way less people out there and way less things going on than I thought that there would be for a holiday weekend Saturday, but nevertheless, that was our first trip out, so we're gonna hang out around the fire. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, we got 6 of us jammed in the truck, 7 with the dog.
It was flying over there.
Next morning, we're heading out on the sand to test the mini bike and maybe fly the drone if it's not too windy.
Yep, you done good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or we just pulled up and this guy just rolled over, and I had my camera pointing the wrong way. Do we need to get out, Dad, and help him flip?
was crazy. I saw it just fall.
Well, he wasn't super happy. So it's that was a rental, and we were gonna flip it back over, but the rental guy,
He says he's got to leave it there.
I'm assuming
Probably for
insurance reasons, yeah. But the lady walked away,
Yeah, I saw it flip over. It like
and the battery fell out, and there was some other components hanging there, and so she's probably not gonna get her deposit back.
He was like, yeah, you were just turning. And the
She must
thing's
have-
on its top.
She must have really whipped it. Waiting on my cousin to get here, and then we'll unload the mini bike and the Banshee and take them out for a whirl, see how it goes. I should have put racing fuel in it so it smelled better.
Smells pretty good the way it is.
You look so goofy.
It looks like it's doing good. No, he's only How'd you do, Craig?
I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
You happy, boy?
I need a chiropractor and a brain surgeon. Holy cow, that beats you to death.
Oh, it does.
I couldn't even see because it was shaking my head so bad.
Oh my.
Like my vision was
Oh,
off the
because
whole
you're sitting
time.
right on, there's no shock between you and the wheel.
Just here. But the back, yeah, man, my skull hurts. It's probably good for going to the bathroom, and that's about it.
I suppose you got to pay a couple $100 extra if you want to ride.
Well, I went out on the soft stuff and like instantly just almost dumped it. So it's probably not safe anywhere but right here.
Shelby thinks it's a cute little thing though, so that's what counts.
It's a cute little thing.
It looks like it go meep meep.
It's what I wanted to try. I've never ridden on the dunes before though, on something with two wheels. So maybe it's normal. I don't know, but it felt completely out of control in the soft sand or in the dry sand.
Okay.
It's still fun. All right, we're gonna try airing down like you normally would and see if it gets me any better traction in the dry stuff, because in the dry sand it just instantly threw me on my side. Now
Fire me up.
keep it pointed in the right direction.
Of course.
Give it one pull. There you go. Be careful. Be careful. You'd never guess he was 70 years old, would you? How'd it do?
Wonderful.
Did you go on dry stuff?
I hit a tree that was laying under the sand and it had a little bump in it and it almost threw me over the windshield.
I believe it. It doesn't take much driftwood to total that one. It's different.
It needs another pound out.
You think?
Yeah.
It definitely helped the ride.
I think the one needs one more pound.
Okay, it's Banshee time.
back from the dunes. That was the inaugural run of the mini bike. Found out it really only goes on the beach, which is fine, it's still fun. I think we're gonna cook some dinner and settle down for the evening. So if anything else happens, I'll bring you along. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Monday morning, rain through the night. Sand should be real smooth and nice. We're meeting friends and family out there. Should be a good time. Let's go. Okay, we're set up at the beach. Family's down there. Dad's gonna ride the mini bike, and I'm gonna follow him on the Banshee. This should be quality content. I never thought you'd make it this far.
I told him this goes to show you don't have to spend a lot of money to have fun out here.
I don't know if I'm proud of that, but how did it? It did it, no problem?
You go slow enough, that torque converter just stays in a low range and it just plugs its way right through. You're not slipping belts or anything.
You just gotta have it down to a half a pound of air.
Yeah.
John says he wants to drag race his Jeep, which is a hybrid, so he's got electric and gas takeoff, against the Banshee. He should smoke me. I'm gonna honor his wishes. We're gonna try it and see how this goes. So let's go try a Jeep versus a Banshee drag race. Can beat me if the conditions are right. I can beat him if the conditions are right. But I literally blew the doors off his Jeep, so. Drag racing's fun.
3 hours later.
We were coming back to chill for a little bit before we go do some more activities later this evening, and I just got a call from Sarah that they are stuck on the second hill, the hill after test. So we're leaving the campground. We're going to try and get out there and see if we can get them unstuck. I didn't bring my heavy duty tow strap, so I may be sacrificing a strap here, but
My prediction is they will be towed out by the time we get there.
that's my guess too, but hopefully we can get there in time to provide a little bit of
Content for the viewers.
well, I was more thinking like humility. Just so that he knows he's still a human.
Yep.
Well, we found them. Now the question is, how hard do I gotta beat my truck to get to them?
Oh, gotta have my window.
How long's your rope? Hey Ron, you gotta do whatever you gotta do in this situation. Do I gotta get closer?
Karen's hanging on for dear life.
I know. There's nothing about this that feels right.
He just yanked.
Just sit tight, I'll get it. Sit there.
He just full on yanked. That's all.
Yeah, just drop it in there. Thank you. Yeah, appreciate your help.
So what'd you learn, John?
Should go faster.
Go faster, even if your mom's in the back seat, right?
No matter what.
No matter what.
You know, I was I was gonna leave, but judging by the stunts he's pulling, we should probably hang out a little bit
We should
longer.
probably.
But we got him out. We got him out. If he's not careful, he's gonna end up being our thumbnail. There he went.
A bookstore.
Or the guy that puts different things in the microwave to see what happens.
All right, that's the end of another day. Always something. We're gonna go back, probably do some mini golfing. We'll see ya tomorrow. Today's tip is be back at your campsite before they close. We got here right at 11 and they had already left the office. So now we're trying to figure out what's gonna happen. And there's a spider on my leg. So last you knew, we got locked out. We overcame that. We found somebody. They said we were 3 or 4 minutes late.
They just said we were late, even though it was.
We can't be the first
2
people.
minutes.
But we did get back in the gate. We did go-karts. Sarah did the zip line and the roller coaster. Then we went out for a sunset. And it's just supposed to be hot today, and it's supposed to be hot and muggy tomorrow. So we're probably going to be on the beach.
Best beach day.
So we're going to go out there and wrap up our trip, and we'll see what's going on today. For best traction, go till you think the tire's flat, and then 2 more pounds. Till it's almost scary. We're packing up and loading out. Been a great week here in Michigan. But we had a great stay here again at Dunes Harbor. Probably do it again next year. Highly recommend it if you're in the area looking for a place to camp. Great family campground. So we appreciate you joining us. We hope you join us for the next one, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.